The repeat Movia L orders from a European security customer are the clearest signal of traction in the defense industry so far. As the drone demonstrator comes online this year, what would a meaningful defense milestone look like for MicroVision in 2026?
Yeah, I kind of starting with your point about the Movia L sales. That goes into a unmanned ground vehicle application, which you're seeing a significant expansion of UGV applications now for logistics, for medevac, for resupply. For I mean, it's just a host of things, and the need for robust solid state sensors to support those applications. And that's where Movie L was a great fit and continues to be. Movie S will also be a good fit. And then Iris, with its 1550 capability, really is attractive for night operations. So for applications where we can operate at night, that's another great fit for us. So a lot of pull from that part. Now, drones, as we've just been talking, are used in many different ways. And what we're focused on really is using a drone and the ability to do real-time mapping. So the fact that our sensor has the processing capability in the sensor so that I can do the real-time mapping of the terrain in an area of interest. It can be an extension of the perception system to the ground vehicle. It can be just mapping and ISR missions going back to a command center. It can be just security for a facility or a port or an object, a high value object. And so that's where we've been focused with regard to our drone activity. Um, we've completed what I would say were those development activities we planned for last year, and now moving into the business development. I'll be giving a webinar here next week with AUVSI. We've now are in the process of outreach to defense contractors to showcase what we can do and how we do that. And so where we would expect the next step in the drone applications is to be announcing contracts or MOUs with drone providers. And because what we're seeing is they're doing the integration of the payload into the drone. We can provide the full functionality, the sensor integrated with a camera. This is what we call our Movia Air products, integrated with an RGB camera, and then the map creation in the sensor on the drone, basically, and then transmission down to the ground or to other drones. And so what we would expect here now is in this next phase is to be able to announce development agreements or actually supply agreements with drone manufacturers. And that process will start now as we really kind of go public with really next week. We're really going to be going public with, hey, here's how this works. And here's what we do, and showing the actual extended perception system for the ground-based vehicle. And it is amazing because you can do all the navigability and analytics in the drone. It can show you exactly where the UGV can drive, threat assessment, the whole thing. So we think it's a really important way to ensure or to extend the ability of the ground-based vehicles or the ground-based personnel to be able to see what's around them and understand where they can drive, where they can move.